this wig already, like, it smells like it's been washed already. Oh no, it smells really good. Like, they already conditioned it, because I was going to condition it, but now I'm like, I may not.
It's good.
And since I already have these twists, they're like a week old, I'm just gonna keep them and just see if I'm able to lay my hair flat. Okay, hey y'all, so in this section I am going to be doing 5 hairstyles with the headband wig. So let's go ahead and get to style number 1.
Don't play with her, don't be dishonest, babe. Still not understanding this logic, hey. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody sound next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. Lately you say you've been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Waiting slow for just it.
Okay y'all, those were the 5 hairstyles. I really do love this wig. Like, I know I'm doing a lot of movement, but the curls are still holding. Not really any shedding. I can kind of just do with it what I want. I mentioned earlier how I haven't washed it yet because it smelled like conditioner, but I do look forward to washing it to see like what the natural, like if it's gonna turn out like this or not. other than that, I really do like it. It's very versatile. I can do what I want with it. And yeah, I have a whole bunch of bands. I have like 16 bands that I bought to go with it, to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, like, it's cute. Yes, I love it. First Amazon headband wig in the books. I can't wait to get more. I'm so excited. It's giving a vibe. It's giving a vibe. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.